So Trump has announced that he wants to completely take over Gaza. He wants to completely ethnically cleanse the area, force Palestinians out, maybe make Jordan or Egypt take them and rebuild everything, and who knows. And so many people have been distraught by this announcement or this threat. And some people have actually even started to reconsider maybe what were our decisions that we made politically in November of 2024 that resulted in this scenario. But I think what's very important for Muslims to realize is that ultimately Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is in control. People have stated that they would do many things before, and they have attempted Tyrants have attempted to do many, many things throughout history, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as part of His sunnah, has made the path of tyrants the path to their graves and the path to their undoing. Many people, when they are intoxicated with power, they forget that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is in control, to the point where they think that they can own whatever they want and take whatever they want and do whatever they want. That is often the time when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is just about to humble them. We've seen these types of statements before, and yet the people of Palestine stand strong. And so it somewhat has to do with who do you consider as the main actor in this play, or who is the main agent in this scenario. Is the main actor the tyrants and the powers that be, or is the main actor, or the main player, the people of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with the support of Allah Azza wa Jal? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised us that truth will remain and falsehood would perish. Now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us tests. He gives us tests where He shows us the true face of evil, and we see things for how they really are. And many of these situations, they cause the masks to drop, and we see where people's real allegiance lies, or at least we see how much patience they have to endure the road. But the road to truth is not a comfortable road. And the road to doing what pleases Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not the road of luxury. It is a road of hardship. And it is a road sometimes of setbacks. And it is a road that is fraught with perils. But we know that our ultimate concern is pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and helping the believers across the world in the ways in which we can, and trusting that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will deliver victory to the people of faith, and He will deliver victory to those who stand with the truth.